Alright, so now we've added this close button, tied up the code. So I think this app is as good as it's going to get. So now that we've created an update, we're going to go to the assembly information. And remember how I said we're going to use file version? Well, we're going to use file version over the assembly version. Again, that's your preference. You can use whatever you want. We're going to make this version 2.0, which I believe is fitting because this is a brand new awesome update which does so much. Well, it changed the color and added a close button. Okay, so let's save everything now that we've made some changes and rebuild our solution. Rebuild all succeeded down here. Good to go. Alright, we can go ahead and exit out of Visual Studio because we're done with it. Now let's go to our, again, if you click on your awesome app that we've installed previously, it's version 1.0. So now we have to create a new version. So to do that, we're going to run our automatic update tool again. And remember before we had it, we just changed it over to version 2.0. So that's what we're going to do on here. We're also going to create a new installer as previously done. And on this one, we're going to add what we did differently. So back color change and added a button, just to give it some content so that way people know what the new update was. Again, you're going to have to go down and select the project code or create your installer separately and then include it in here. So we're just going to go drill down to our projects. Awesome app. Alright, again, find your main entry point. Now we absolutely do not need, we don't need a local copy of this one because it's just an update. Or again, your demo key. You can include a URL. And go ahead and include your end user license agreement if you want to, and then go ahead and click publish. Alright, now that that's all done, you can go ahead and exit out. Now the next time one of your users clicks on that awesome app on their computer, it's automatically going to check for updates and then say, hey, you have a new update. And if you click on the log, it's going to say, hey, they've added a back color change and added a button. No, I don't want to update at this time. I don't need the button or the background change. No, I'm just joking. I want the new background change and a button. So I'm going to click update, and then there you go. It installs the new update. Nothing really too fancy there. And now when it opens up, now you have your new updated app. This one with the new background color and the close button. And that's it. End of demo.